hot. I'm trying to do it in a way so that I can pour it here. That's what I'm doing. So nice. I've entered here. I have to close and allow it a little bit to get in cold. And I pour the rest here. So I still need more. Still need like more. So I have to go back and take some. Emma, always easy. Take it easy whenever you are doing something with hot, okay? So that you're not going to pour water on yourself. Mamas, don't be hot, yeah, but you have to be very careful. Very, very careful. Very, very careful. So that you're not going to burn. Got yourself hot. So now my tea or our tea, hibiscus tea is ready. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Let's clean up, clean up, clean up. We do some clean up. So, Darby, kannst du bitte the Tisch aufräumen? And come and take everything here that are in the for the dining, yeah? So you guys can eat. Finish cooking. Just finished cooking. Honey has finished cooking. Our traditional Dutch food is done and dusted. Guys, come and join me. Don't say I did not call you. So this is the outcome of my food. I show you everything I did about how the food looks like. Have you cleared it up? What is this? Have you cleared it up? I asked a question. Yeah. Have you cleared it up? So yeah. Get some cup. Come and get cup for drinking tea. This is fricadelle. If you're asking what is this, you don't know what is fricadelle again. Fricadelle. It's flesh. It's flesh, yeah? Yeah. Baby's asking what is it. Let me cut it. That's my name. I should not call your name. That's my name. I called Darby. Darby is not. It's not even your name. Is your name Darby? No. Okay. Then it's not your name. I'm trying to cut the bread so that it will be easier for you guys to enjoy. So guys, how to eat this bread is like you can take this frying eggs I made, and also just wait, let me show you them everything. Have you taken a marmalade, Alex to browse? Take first of all what you need, and this will be the last. Let me show my subscribers what I prepare for my family. Dutch traditional food I prepare for my family today before you guys can take it. Yeah, I think I have cut all of them, remaining this. So see, I'm sweating, guys. I'm sweating like Christmas goats. So let me show them. Don't go away. Eh? So let me show them everything before you guys can take, because I am signing off very soon. Oh my God, this is too hot. It is too hot. It is too hot. Wait, Daddy, wait. This is too hot. This is too hot. Oh my God. So guys, this is the shanking salami I made. I made it in a microwave, and this is how the